Going.
Hello, Big Jim Country Boy here. Another gardening tip. We have these onions in the back and they got drowned out by the potato plants. And they've been here about a week. We had a lot of rain, that's why it took so long, but we just dried them out here in the sun. You see they still want to grow. Here's a couple. Basically what we're going to do is replant these now as onion sets and then see how they grow. Stay tuned for an update later.
We're going.
Here you go. We're putting our onions back in the ground now. We promised. We got child labor here. You can leave more room. Leave that much room between them. About as wide as your hand, okay? Put it in. Don't wipe your hands on your head. You're getting dirt in your hair, kiddo.
Wait till you're done, you can go inside and wash them.
A little further apart, okay? Where they can get big onions in there. You want big onions, you gotta leave room for a big onion to grow. Keep going. That's a good helper. Let's go around the other side. She's closer to the other side now. Here. You're doing a really super job. Here, grab these two. There's 4 of them there. Got them? Go stick them in the ground. Say hi to everybody at home on the camera.
Hi.
Keep going. Stuck them in there.
No onion.
It's alright, it's in there. It'll grow. Stick the root in the ground. What?
Stop sewing them.
I'm just dropping them there for you so you don't have to keep standing up and bending over. taking the dry tops off them so you can plant them easier. You all right down there, little girl?
Yep.
My big helper?
Yep.
You done? Stand up now, don't get dirty. You all done? You ready for me to bury him now? Put it down there. I'll bury it. Pops will bury it with the hoe. Put a little row of dirt over them. It's going to rain in a day or so. They'll settle them in nice. Come around the other side and get there. Actually, I might be able to get a little more this way.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Big Jim Country Boy.
All there is to it. It wouldn't hurt to give them a little water. This ground's wet enough though. It's gonna rain tomorrow here, so according to the weather fella.
So, I am the walk saw this. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.